Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're going to take a look at all of the brand new G-Case Hot Wheels. Our first G-Case car is the Hot Wheels Moto Ducati 1199 Panigale. To the right of it, we have the brand new Hot Wheels Pursuit Dodge Charger Drift car. Below the police car is the black 2015 Mercedes AMG GT. Then we have the Lamborghini Huracan LP620-2 Super Trofeo. And on the right, we have the brand new 2016 BMW M2. In this next photo here, we have a brand new color of the Summit Corvette C7R race car. Next is the new green color of the 2015 Land Rover Defender Double Cab. Under the Land Rover, we have the blue color of the 1970 Camaro. Then we have the white Urban Outlaw Magnus Walker Volkswagen Käfer Racer. And one of my personal favorites, the brand new Hot Wheels edition of the 2018 Camaro SS. Up next, we have the Nightburners Red Custom Datsun 240Z. Alongside it, we have the red 2016 Honda Civic Type R. Then we have the brand new white edition of the Nissan Fairlady Z. Below that is the green 1995 Mazda RX-7. On the right, we have the new blue color of the Mad Mike 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata. And at the bottom, the blue Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. On to our next image, we have the brand new Batman TV series Batmobile, the Checkmate series Fast 4 WD. Underneath that, we have the Hot Wheels Daredevils Fiat 500. Then we have the new Checkmate 2007 Ford Mustang, the queen of the Checkmate series Velocita, and the Checkmate 2012 Ford Fiesta. Returning from the last case, we have the Indy 500 oval race car, the Porsche 917 LH race car from Project Cars 2, a new blue color of the Tankinator. Below the tank, we have the Street Beast Beatall. On the right, we have the latest flavor of the Street Wiener, and at the bottom, mad props the airplane. Next, we have the orange color of the Lotus Esprit S1, the red custom 67 Pontiac Firebird, the tuned 1968 Ford Mustang, and below it, we have a matching tuned Chrysler 300C. From the Legends of Speed series, we have the Mach Speeder. Returning from the last case, we have the Hot Wheels Flames 32 Ford, a new classic 55 Nomad. Under the Nomad, we have Solid Muscle, the blue 1970 Chevelle SS Wagon, the Daredevils HW450F Dirt Bike, and the new red color of the Bone Shaker. We have a cool new color of the Street Beast Shark Bite. From the Hot Wheels Fun Park, we have the Loopster, and then we have a couple Super Chromes models starting off with the Blitz Speeder. Below that is the Gazella GT. Next to it, we have a model called Rising Heat, and on the end, we have the Speed Slayer. From the Glow Wheels series, we have High Beam, the green color of the Daredevils Rally Cat, the Legends of Speed Dunosaur, the green and white X-Racers High Roller, a cool looking X-Racer called Electrac, and finally the Glow Wheels model Crescendo. We're gonna unbox the 2018 G-Case here on the channel very soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I've shipped out a bunch of the giveaway prize cars, and it looks like we have fans all around the world. Some cars went to the Philippines, India, Malaysia, Canada, and of course the United States. Thank you all for watching and supporting the channel. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest Hot Wheels cars and news, HotDiecast Garage is the best place to be, so make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next Hot Wheels video.